guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm at it again since it's raining out and may as well be painting. So I'm going to try another one of those. So here we go. I'm going to put my base coat down, which is Glidden Essentials with some GAC 800. And I got to be careful with not putting very little color down. I might need more of this. Although, it really kind of, let's just see how much I actually have on there. There we go. That's easy. Oh, which color do I want to start with? I'm going to start, I might, nah, never mind. I'm just going to put very little. Okay, that's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. I might put a little bit of this Bloom Satin Enamel. See if it does anything. And then quinacridone Nickel Gold. That first one was gold and teal. Oh my God, that's thick. Shoot. Well, that's not good. And then I'm going to put, this is TLP in Lemon Sorbet. Then we're going to go with TLP in Caramel Drizzle. I know, browns for a flower. What was I thinking? Then this is Groovy by TLP. But, and then this is, oh, my favorite. This is, oh, I might do a black cell activator. Yeah, this is, if it's my favorite, why don't I know its name? This is Pinwheel. Okay. I was gonna do a dark blue. I don't know. What should I do? Black's gonna look funny for a flower. Well, maybe not. Let's try it. You can always scrape it up and do it over again. That one turned out really good yesterday. All right. Let's see if we can do this. Got to work tomorrow, so I can't get too dirty. Holy shoot. I don't think I'll be using that dryer tonight. Oh my God. Oh, little one. Here, I'll tell you in a minute. Little one, who am I? I'm now calling him, oh wow, this is really pretty. I'm now calling him Sushi. He's kind of sort of answering to it, but sometimes he does and sometimes he doesn't. I think it is solely based on treats, but let me just bring this, you know what, let's give it a little spin. Well, let's let it sit for a minute and let's let it develop. Wow, okay, I do have a new hairdryer coming. So this one is definitely going in the trash. But, so yeah, I heard this squeaking noise and I'm like, what the heck is that? And it turns out he had a live friend in the house. And he's not alive anymore. That was a correction. He didn't make it. So we'll have to say a prayer for that little soul that left. But wow, this is really pretty. So anyhow, I like to think of myself as a relatively intelligent woman, but common sense sometimes escapes me. And I'll tell you why. I just found out today that I have a lock on the cat door. I had no idea. So, which I need to actually do that right now. Yeah, I had no idea. So there's no reason the raccoon should be coming in at night, because if I have a lock on the door. The only thing is, they can get out, like the cats can get out, but then they wouldn't be able to get back in. So this could become a problem. I'm not sure. Wow, I'm liking it. All right. I need to bring it down a little bit though, and it's not moving. It's stuck. All right, we're gonna have to spin it. Let me move these guys out of the way. And thank God I didn't use black paint tonight, right? Yeah, so I feel like such a nincompoop. I haven't heard that word in a long time, have you? And yeah, and so I should not have a problem with the raccoons. But now I have live mice in my house. Let me spin this just ever so gently, because I do want to bring this down. Maybe if I spin it off center. Hopefully I don't spin it off. Ooh, that looks that looks like a blue jay. See that, the beak and the eye, or it's an Angry Bird. It's Angry Birds. It's not going the way I want it to, but it's not bad. I'm surprised the black worked out. The reason I wanted to do the black is because the black and the pinwheel react so beautifully together. So this is working out pretty good. Let's spin it again like this. Angry Bird's getting angrier. Yeah, I really like this. I love, love, love the colors. It's getting stuck. So I'm only going to do one, and then I'm going to try and get some sleep because I have to work in the morning. And you guys are awesome. I'm so glad that you guys are here. It really means a lot to me. All right, let's grab to make a stem. So Simplistic single stems. Well, that was feeble. Well, maybe not. She makes it look so easy. Oh, I think I do have some reactions from the why can't I think tonight? I have some reactions from the satin enamels right in here. Not a lot of color there, but that's okay. Don't even know that I want to do a whole lot to this. No, I don't think I'm going to. Well, here we go. I don't know what that was. Seriously. All right, I think we're going to spin it again. This is a little muddy in here, not liking that, but let's see if something comes up underneath. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. That was a bust. All right, we'll just leave it like that. I'm gonna give it another spin like it is right now. Still too much paint. It's really hard to put very little paint on these, but it is pretty, right? I like it. It's still not what I'm going after, but I think I'll just have to eliminate a few colors. But I gotta say, I like these colors. maybe I'll do, oh, that wasn't good. All right, I better stop soon. Want it to dry well. The other two are drying fine. I showed you that one fail, but I didn't show you the one that I actually did. Look at that. That is so pretty. So browns do go. Very pretty. Probably hate it in the morning. I feel like I'm like sitting here going, what, is that it? Is that it? I'm gonna take this off. That was easy. There. Just to break it up a little bit. Could take this all off like I did yesterday. No, I'm gonna leave it. Gotta have some diversity. All right, so I'm gonna take you down for a, you know what, I just can't stop. I'm gonna take you down for a close-up. I'm gonna do something else right here. Probably a mistake, right? Felt like it needed something. Okay, I'm gonna torch it and then bring you up. Bring you down, not up. Yeah, and I gotta get rid of that hair dryer. That was crazy. Oh. Always have a fire extinguisher ready in your studio or workspace. All right, guys, I'll be back in a sec. All right, guys, so very happy. I like the blending of the colors. So I've got a bald spot over there I'm gonna have to fix. Try not to get paint on my clothes, my jammies. See what I mean about the black cell activator with the pinwheel? It's gorgeous. That's why I did the black. And it plays really nice with other colors. And yeah, putting the satin enamels in it gave it a little bit of interest. There's some, what is that? I don't think, oh, that's the lemon sorbet. I was gonna say, I didn't put any gold in there. Yeah, the lemon sorbet. Yum, yum. Okay, I gotta fix that. There's a bald spot over there too. All right. I like the softness of it right here. Beautiful. It's like mixing neons and neutrals. Neons and neutrals. Very cool. Yeah, this is a little, I don't know. A little bubbly for me. But yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe and create. I love you guys being here. I'm having a blast. I hope you are too. If there's any pieces you'd like to make your own, please email me at GCFluidart@gmail.com. Ciao for now.